Jade plant roots are small and shallow, preferring a smaller pot and shallow soil, and can be easily overwatered due to their nature. Do jade plants need roots? No, jade plants don't need a lot of root systems because they usually grow along the ground level rather than deep within the earth. Jades prefer to grow in dry climates and aren't known for producing big or thick roots. The shallow, small roots of jades can easily be mistaken as no roots at all, and jades rarely form large and thick taproots as other plants do. Jades don't grow thick taproots because they prefer growing in shallow and dry climates. Though shallow and small, jade plant roots can go down several feet to aid jade in remaining sturdy and upright when growing. How deep do jade roots go? Jade plants' roots can grow to several feet deep to help jade stay upright and sturdy. The jade plant roots are strong enough to resist heavy windstorms and remain standing when jades are grown in dry climates. The location where jade plants grow also affects how jade plant roots develop. For instance, jades that grow in deep and wet soil would not develop jade plant roots near the ground surface because they will reach deep into the soil with ease. That said, jade plants prefer shallow soil or small pots with dry climates for proper growth. If jade plants are given a big pot with a lot of soil, they will quickly grow deeply in the soil rather than along the ground level. Can I plant jade in the ground? Yes, but it may take time for them to adapt to growing there since jades aren't known for putting down deep roots like other plants. Watering should only be done twice a month and under no circumstance any more than that. When jades are grown from jade plants, they can survive in small pots and in the garden. However, jades grown from seeds take longer to adapt to their new environment. These plants propagate well when cuttings are taken from mature jades and placed in moist soil. It may take several weeks for jade plant root systems to develop, but after a month or two, the jade cuttings should have a solid root system. Make sure your jades receive plenty of sunlight each day while they're establishing roots, or else they won't grow much at all. Can a jade plant survive outside? Jades can survive outside if they are given proper treatment. But they may die in the first winter due to harsh weather conditions. When jade plants are grown indoors or in greenhouses, their roots do not go too far down into the soil because of the boxy nature of the plant. If you choose to grow jades outside, make sure you put them in an excellent sunny location to avoid having trouble surviving during cold winters. If you liked this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.